Welcome everyone, here's how you add a thumbnail to a YouTube video in your iPhone. So you may have tried using the web version of YouTube, you're having issues. That's because you need to actually click on the thumbnail. You can't do that on an iPhone. So what you do instead is you open up the App Store and you download the YouTube Studio app. This is free to download. From here, you're going to open up the YouTube Studio app. You're going to tab on your video that you want to edit the thumbnail for. You're going to tap on the little pencil right here. You're then going to see this plus. Tap on the plus and now tap on change. From here we can now add our own custom thumbnail. So let's say if I tap into this one, boom, you just tap on select and then save. If this is not working, then you're going to have to head over to the studio.youtube.com website. You're going to tap on the little settings icon here, like so, boom, and then you're going to tap on channel. You're going to tap on feature eligibility, and I'm going to put my phone into landscape mode so you can see this. You see features that require phone verification, and the features are videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and content ID. If you have not entered in the requirements for phone verification, then you will not be able to add a custom number. So tap onto this one, and then there'll be an option to tap on the verify with your phone number, and then you'll be able to add the thumbnail to your YouTube video without any problems. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.